In this part of tutorial, you will learn how to sew together two parts, felt and deco leather. We take two seed beads of size 10 and we start. We start from the felt. You go out from the felt here and into the leather here. You go through the leather and the felt. Then you go from the bottom of the bead and pull. Take one seed bead. We take two seed beads only from the beginning to start here. Now we always will take one seed bead. You go here, you skip the same amount, the same space like the bead is. And again, from eco leather to the felt. And from the bottom of the bead here. Again, one seed bead, pierce the leather or eco leather what you have, or you can even use felt here, and felt. And you enter from the bottom to the seed bead. And again, one seed bead, pierce leather and felt, and you go from the bottom here. So we continue all the way till here. When you are here, remember we had two seed beads from the beginning, so one of them here. So to finish our round, we need to go to this seed bead from the top. Then you pierce leather and felt. And then you go from the bottom to the same bead, seed, and we're finished. To cut this thread, you need to weave it. Weave it there inside our. You just enter the seed bead next to the last one. You weave it inside. You can help yourself with pliers. Look from this side that it's not going out from here. If you create just an element, you can just cut the thread and that's it, and it will be ready. But video is continuing of video for these earrings. We need to attach the clasp. To attach the clasp, you need to enter to the seed bead of this row. We go from the bottom of the bead here. Then we add one seed bead, then we add clasp, and one seed bead, and we enter seed bead which is next to this one. We need to go twice, and we go again into the seed bead from the bottom, and you enter here again. And now you need to secure the thread and cut it. Make a knot and then go one more time like this here and cut the thread. Our earrings are ready. I think those are very pretty. You can create them in different colors, and for example with gold it will be as well very nice and beautiful. For those who would like to create the earrings, and you can find a link to this tutorial in the description section. Don't forget about likes and subscribe for my channel for more interesting tutorials. Have a great day!